Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with Hues of Harmony the art of nail couture. Certainly embrace the spectrum of elegance with vivid hues nail paint collection. Dive into the world of color with vivid hues nail paint collection, a palette designed to celebrate the diversity and vibrancy of today's fashion forward women. Each shade in this collection is more than just a color, it is an expression of mood, personality, and style. Color palette and meanings. Our collection ranges from the softest pastels to the most daring neons, ensuring there is a perfect shade for every skin tone and occasion. The pastel shades look baby blue, lavender, and pale pink bring a touch of springtime freshness, ideal for the subtle yet chic look. For those who dare to stand out, our neon shades like electric lime and hot pink are sure to turn heads and add an energetic pop to any outfit. Trend-setting shades stay on top of the trends without carefully curated selection to the season-hosted color this summer. Embrace with warmth with coral reds and minty greens, perfect for beach days and barbecues. As the leaf falls, switch to our autumnal tones like mulberry and burgundy, which pair beautifully with cozy tints and crisp air. Skin tone harmony. Our collection is designed with inclusively in mind for fairer skin tones. Our pastel hues enhance the natural glow, while our bold and dark shades like emerald green, dark purple make a striking statement against deeper skin tones. The neutral tones offer timeless elegance that complements any look, making them a staple for every nail paint on static. Quality and care. Each bottle of vibrant hues is formulated with nourishing ingredients to promote nail health, ensuring that beauty does not come at the cost of care. Our polishes are breathable and free from harmful chemicals, providing a guilt-free way to enjoy stunning nails. Applications and longevity. The Vivid Hues collection is designed for ease of application with a brush that glides effortlessly across the nail, providing even coverage with every stroke. The fast-drying formula ensures a smudge-free finish, while the long-lasting wear means your nails stay impeccable for days. Eco-conscious packaging. We believe in beauty with a consciousness. That's why our packaging is eco-friendly and recyclable, reflecting our commitment to sustainability. Each bottle is a testament to our dedicated to the environment and the future of fashion. The perfect gift. Whether you are looking to treat yourself or searching for the perfect gift, the Vivid Hues Nail Collection offers a world of color at your fingertips. Presented in an elegant box, it's ready to delight anyone who loves to add a splash of color to their life. Vivid Hues Nail Paint Collection, highlighting its range inclusively and commitment to quality and sustainability. It's designed to appeal the discerning customer who values both style and substance in their beauty products. I hope you enjoy this amazing video, and if really enjoyed, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.